In today's video, we're going to crush our PC's input delay, boost FPS, and optimize our PC in just 4 steps. So let's make your PC insanely responsive right now. We have 4 main objectives: reduce monitor input lag, reduce keyboard input lag, reduce mouse input lag, free up a real amount of RAM on your PC to operate smoother and better. So into the first one, you'll need to enter this website. Link is down in the description for all links and materials you need throughout this tutorial. First off all, you need to download this app called ISLC. It's just 300 kilobytes, not a big file, and you can extract it wherever you want on your PC. Doesn't matter where. Here are the files after you extract it. We need to open this app. Here's the interface of the application. We need to change some options to optimize your PC to the finest. First, under free memory is lower than, you need to change this. But by how much? In your taskbar, right-click and open Task Manager, then go to the Performance tab, click the 3 dots, and open Resource Monitor. Under Physical Memory, expand it. In front of Installed, you'll find your actual installed memory. Now divide this number by 2, open Calculator, type the number, divide by 2, place that exact number into the app. For example, if you have 32 gigabytes of RAM, you have to type 16,384, half of 32 gigabytes in megabytes. That was the first change. Second and third changes, check these 2 boxes. These settings make ISLC start automatically whenever you log into your desktop. Exactly what we want. Fourth change, enable custom timer resolution. Change the number from 1 millisecond to 0.5 milliseconds. Your current timer resolution might say 1 millisecond, and max might say 0.5 milliseconds. This may seem small, but in online and competitive games, it's a huge improvement. After changing these, click Purge Standby List. At this moment, I had almost 8 gigabytes of free RAM. After clicking, it freed up to 16 gigabytes, a real miracle. Just with a single click, it freed up 8 gigabytes of RAM. Next, click Start. Don't forget, for the ISLC polling rate, match your mouse polling rate. Mine is 1000 Hz, so I leave it at 1000. You might want to adjust yours depending on your mouse. That was the first part of the tutorial, reducing monitor input lag and freeing RAM at specific intervals for optimized gaming. Second part, reducing input lag of your keyboard and mouse. I'll place these files on my website, download them for free. Quick clarification, some people may say, bro, what are these shady files, viruses? Of course they're not. Here's what to do. Right-click, edit in Notepad, and ask your AI agent, ChatGPT or whatever, what these codes do. They'll tell you, these codes make your PC operate better and smoother. If you have doubts, which is fair, go check. Once you're sure, right-click and run as administrator. For me, it said, operation completed successfully on all 3 files. That's all for this tutorial. Please like, leave a positive comment, share it with your potato friend, and subscribe if you found any value. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.